Find working AliExpress coupons to save money. First of all, always check the AliExpress homepage and look for the coupon section. Select my coupons. Next, head to the coupon center on the app or website. Here you can browse and collect coupons for various categories. Using the AliExpress app, great. There are often app exclusive coupons that aren't available on the desktop version, giving you extra savings. Don't forget to check product pages for store-specific coupons like get $2 off when you spend $15. Sellers often provide discounts right on their listings. You can also visit third-party coupon sites like Honey, where users share working promo codes for AliExpress. By following these tips, you can collect and stack working coupons to save money on your next AliExpress haul. Happy shopping! Thanks for watching.